Yes, so welcome back. Big up to all of my viewers and subscribers who are going, my people. Yeah, I'm from on the city thumbnail and the title. Then you already know what is on the agenda today. So consider to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Also, give this video a like. Yeah, man, just like up the video now. Yeah, and also share up the content so that others can be in the know. But you know how we do it thing over here. You see me? We just gonna jump in at the intro fast and come right back to the video. So don't go nowhere. We soon forward.
Could I never forget where me come from? No matter what me do, me a born Jamaican.
Yes, so now people, dancehall artist Spice diss up RT Boss wicked because people, you know, so recently RT Boss came out and said basically him and Obia Spice, you see me, and Spice can't get better without him, you see me, and him knows that Spice now go come to him, so him knows that Spice I go dead, and him also has stated say, yo, him want Spice dead people, you see me, just for hear where the Barbies them are gonna say, you see me, I say people, yes, so basically Spice come out in retaliation to that people, and Spice basically I make RT no boss, no one thing, you see me I say, and I say, yo, if basically she alone I go dead. Yeah, and basically people, before me make on hear with Spice I say, me I go make give on one lowdown on what RT boss say, why Spice I behave that certain way, you see me I say, so hear what, check out what RT boss say.
So what do you have to say now about Spice's illness? What do you have to say about that?
When she's dying.
She posted on TikTok that she's sad, that she's sick, very sick.
That don't have a good natural fuck now for do me. The bottom line is when the best of them are gonna cry and when them are gonna cause me. I don't give a fuck if you want dead today and dead tomorrow. I have nothing to do with me. I dead from in 2020. I dead from I come out and bestie say, Batman, this, that, wicked, you're pitting them will be dead from 2020. Is me ghost now. So, my time for laugh after them dirty blood clad. Karma is a bitch. You saw it go round? Remember them did a laugh after me and cuss me and say me a wicked and you hope you're no good and you're not in a sense. Who for time for laugh now? Where's the?
Would you help her with her sickness?
Only me alone can help her. And that's why true me know she not come for the help and me not gonna help her. That's why me can't pronounce her. Let me repeat it. Only me, if you know spirituality and people are listening, the situation, only me alone can stop it. Because I me it come from. It can't stop. Nothing not dead there.
Wait, so what are you saying? You Obia Spice?
I'm not saying that I Obia Spice. I'm saying you will soon know where you want to hear.
Yes, so basically people, that is it, and that is what Spice respond to RT Boss about, you see me I say, and basically Spice asks a whole heap of question, but you see, instead of me, I go there and tell you everything, I go make you check it out for yourself, and tell me what you think about all of this down into the comment section.
I want to ask you, and I want to talk about it, because true, everybody knows that me sick, everybody have something to say. Sickness no stop at my door alone, you know. So all who jump and skip and knock, all who have to make sure say when you sick too, God dead if you too. And when you say me I go dead, me want to know if you now go dead. If you go live, and me alone I go dead. Or if I the whole away I go dead. Because no matter who dead first, you know, me no accept say me have to dead. You now go dead. Me want to ask you to make sure so you can answer this blood clots. Because I have this narrative stuck on me. Like I'm alone in the universe. I don't realize say anything you say go bounce off of me and stick to blood clot like glue. So me want to ask you and you all on upon the life. If I'm me alone, I go dead.
Yes, so basically people, a Fox Mama Spice a chat right they say. You see me I say people, because at the end of the day you don't know death is for everybody, sickness is for everybody. You see me I say. So when RT Boss over there so I say at the end of the day say yo Spice for dead, and at the end of the day yo it happened the whole away. You see me I say. Yeah, and basically you have to know so when you have the goal you can't dig one, you have to dig two. You see me I say. So a Fox me say Mama Spice a chat right I say. You see me I say. And at the end of the day when people sick and I go through trauma and beating, you see me I say sickness over overall. You can't bash them or like you want to beat them down because you have to remember say karma is a bitch. You see me I say? So you don't know, big up Mama Spice on them thing there. And people, what I want to tell me, you really feel like say your RT boss a real Obia man. And you feel like say RT boss used to work Obia for Spice for real. Make me know what you think about down into the comment section. You see me I say? Yeah man, share your thoughts man. You see me I say? But coming up in this other video, well basically BUJU Banton send a message, you see me I say, to the whole of Jamaica. You see me I say? And I point out certain things what make the country not run right, even the politician them and just the corruption overall people. You see me? But you see, instead of me I go there tell you no, me I go make you just check out the whole thing about it for yourself. You see me I say? Also I know that enough people maybe saw this video already. So you don't know, you can just either watch it again or you don't know, you can jump off of the video respect same way. But for all of those who don't see this video yet, so people, this is a very interesting thing and BUJU Banton talk up a whole heap of thing. You see me I say, and you don't know a facts him attack, so I want to check it out and tell me what you think down into the comment section about this situation.
Private company and SSL rob up and thief up how much money from people, Usain Bolt and all them guys there. Them want the Jamaican people now to go back and pay this private company for the money them and them friend them invest and thief up and laugh up. So I want to know how long them will take Jamaican people for fool for and how long we sit down and make them shit pound. Lord God Almighty, if I talk I weak. But remember, we have to reap what we sow, you know. All man have to reap what them sow. So if you sow good, you reap good. If you sow wickedness, you reap wickedness. If you sow righteousness, you reap righteousness. You're not getting no better than that. You see, people them need economic freedom, they need political freedom, they need all kind of freedom. This man have 400 teachers slated to resign from a tertiary level in Jamaica. So, who the dons already have got dons now? I know them are got mad. We're not a problem. The world, we're not a problem. I don't know. Maybe the market straight this bullshit at all. I don't want everything to go digital, you know. So maybe they might get you like a teacher and replace them with computer. We don't know. But if they replace them with computer, who stand for benefit? Now the guy Bill Gates again, now he want the patent for all computer software. Microsoft. So they just generate money for the rich and rich and rich and rich. And poor people just suffer so. Which we don't have no sense, man. I don't have no neither, you know. I don't want to think me have more sense down, you know. We just have common sense for looking at things. I choose most of the not take the time for looking at nothing. We have to look in right for now. And these are the roles of those who step up on the front line musically for uplift and educate the people them and even put them life on the line. Because we've been buried alive, so we know what it is to die 1,000 deaths. Eh? We need real freedom and this social free justice. You see, I limit them, you see, I rob and I take down the people them, what them call them, I bury them and everything there. I don't even know if it's something good or something bad, but I see a movement in play. Like it look well organized, like it all orchestrated. I can't say, well, for the man who I guard them people their money they ensure, protect on their life. You know, maybe it's a sinister plot as well. So we don't know. But at the end of the day, my people, stay vigilant, no man, and I could get up and lace up a boot. Can't take this no more, you know. I want to know this SSL there. I want to see this billionaire for myself, the rascal. I don't even know where SSL there. I want to see it for myself. To see them location. I want to know why we have to pay them back this money when them never donate to no charity. I have two charities who have to pay $14 million a month, so this government can investigate. And what kind of investigation that costs $14 million to $15 million a month? But the rotted backside is Jamaican people. We're not a problem. We're not deep shit. We don't smell it. I love you now. I don't stay with you too long. I'm not come for riding up. I come for what on your eye. You understand? The Jamaican future must be determined by good Jamaicans, firm Jamaicans. The future of this nation is at hand. and it's been squandered, and our resources are being plundered, and the wealth of this nation is being misappropriated. And the people of this nation are suffering immensely, and crime is on the rise, and it's so terrible. And those who sit at the top, them have the most bodyguard, them surround themselves with the most guns, them surround themselves with the most of everything. They're the common man. Still, from 1970s, the change, what people are making think road a change. We're supposed to have a road from 1980, 1990, 2000. We're supposed to have good road from all them time there. Because a long time Jamaica people are suffer. I just want people, set of people live good in the island and the rest of it are back shit out and hog mouth. Nobody no one talk. Why? The private sector, the school, the teacher, the police. You know? So we need great people to stand up and make them voice be heard. And stop being reactive. And stop thief the resources of this great nation. We have had enough of criminal politicians. We have had enough of people enriching themselves from this great nation while the people live in abject squalor. You understand me? We have had enough. We have had enough of you placing officers on the road to fleece the common man of them hard-earned money through to traffic stop, but you're not paying them a dime. You're not increasing them pay. We have had enough, bro. You know, I now come disparage and cuss and go on, you know, because that is what they want. But let's have a decent conversation that concern the future of this great nation and where we should be and where we are at. You know? Because we're stagnant. And we don't want to make no improvement as a people. We're happy, we talk about things only for a minute and then we turn around and we're back to where we were, even further. You know? We're surrounded by enemies of progress, my people. And until we realize that we are surrounded by enemies of progress, we shall always be surrounded by enemies of progress.
Yes, so people, everything when me hear BUJU Banton attack in the video, yeah, a direct fox him attack and point, yeah, they don't know the entertainer, the gargamel, hit the nail and the head, people. You see me, I say, but that is just my opinion. I also know, so when you just watch the video too, so I want to share full, honest opinion down into the comment section and all of this situation where BUJU Banton just attack about people. You see me, I say, yeah man, me know what you think, man, because I know say at the end of the day, no phone also know say, yeah, what fox the man attack, you see me? So here, consider to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Also, give this video a like. Yeah, just like up the video now. Yeah, and also drop your honest thoughts down into the comment section as I said before. Yeah, and share up the content so that others can be in the know. But you already know how we do the thing. You see me? Peace, love, unity, bless up every day, every time I'm out.